Here's a very simple explanation of how you earn income as a Rain partner. First of all, you're paid when you personally enroll new distributors and customers because you receive a percentage of the cost of the product they purchase. You're also paid when your team members personally enroll new distributors and customers themselves. Then, as your team of distributors and customers grows, you're paid a weekly percentage of the sales that occur in your team. As the people you've sponsored in the business begin to earn money themselves, the company pays you a matching percentage bonus based on their earnings and on the earnings of their team members. Now, some people might wonder how they could ever build a team large enough to generate significant recurring income. Let's review two very important points which will help you see the big picture. Number one, building a Rain business is not solely based on your own efforts. When you join the business, you become a member of your sponsor's team. Your sponsor is also a member of someone else's team, etc. As the team members who joined before you continue to build their businesses, they'll need to place people below you to continue building their own businesses. The people placed below you become part of your team, and their activity figures in calculating some of your bonuses. Number two, building a Rain business is based on the principle of what's called exponential growth. Let's take a look at how that works. Let's say that in month 1, you personally sponsor just 2 people. And then those 2 people sponsor 2, who sponsor 2, etc. Let's look at that growth. In month 2, the 2 people you sponsored sponsor 2 each, so in month 2 you have 4 new distributors. In month 3, those 4 sponsor 2 each, and you have 8 new distributors, and that just continues to grow out like that. At the end of month 6, assuming everybody just only sponsored 2 people, you have 126 team members on your team. Now, let's take a look at something else. Let's add 2 people. Let's say that instead of sponsoring 2 people to begin with, you sponsored 4. Now you had 126 after 6 months with 2. What do you think you'll have with 4? Do you think that might be, 500? Not at all. It's actually 5,460 people if you start with 4 and everyone just sponsors 4. Now that's a very big difference between 126 and 5,460. It's actually, the difference is 5,334 people, but the true difference is really just 2, the difference between 2 and 4. So do you think that working with the principles of teamwork, exponential growth, and consistent ongoing effort with the great Rain products that we have, that you could build a significant Rain business yourself? You bet you could.